Welcome to the video on how to custom mold a 3D printed mask to fit your face. So for some people this mask might fit directly as printed. It might fit really well for me, for example, but if you have a different facial structure or you're different ethnicity, then you might have some issues. Most notably, some people have smaller noses, so you're gonna have to want to close the gap around here, and some people have a gap underneath the chin. And it's important to get a good seal on the face when using a respirator, because otherwise it defeats the whole purpose. Later on in the next step, we're gonna add some weather stripping around the inside of the edge. So small gaps are okay because they'll be compensated for, but you want to eliminate big gaps in this step. So what you're gonna want to do is heat up some water to around 70 to 75 degrees Celsius, which is about 160 degrees Fahrenheit for you, those of you who don't want to switch to metric. So get the temperature up there. And then we're going to dip it in for 5 to 10 seconds until the material begins to soften. And you won't have too much time to mold it, but I would give it a second before you put it on so you don't burn yourself. And you might have to mold, for example, the nose area first, and then mold the chin area. So we'll do the chin area next. Cool. And an alternative to the hot water method is to use a hairdryer, and you can heat up the faucet the same way and then mold it. So yeah, the next step would be to add the weather stripping on the inside, and you'll see that soon.